Hello everyone. Imagine being able to keep an eye on your home anytime, anywhere, right from your phone. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just relaxing inside, the right outdoor security camera can make all the difference. Today, we've picked 5 of the best options that deliver sharp video, smart alerts, and easy setup. You can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Now, let's dive in and get started. Product number 1. AOSU Outdoor Wireless Security Camera 4Cam Kit. The AOSU Outdoor Wireless Security Camera Kit is built for people who want a complete, no-hassle system without monthly fees. It includes 4 wireless cameras and a home base with 32 gigabytes local storage, so all your videos stay private and subscription-free. The cameras feature built-in solar panels, meaning you never have to worry about recharging. Its 360 degrees pan and tilt function provides full coverage, while auto-tracking ensures that any movement within range is followed and recorded. You get crisp 2K video quality during the day and clear color night vision, thanks to 4 built-in LED lights. Setup takes just minutes with support for both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and alerts arrive instantly on your phone. Pros: solar-powered operation with 0 monthly fees, smooth 360 degrees coverage and accurate auto-tracking. Cons: limited to 32 gigabytes storage, slight lag in motion tracking at times. Who it's for: perfect for homeowners who want full outdoor security coverage with simple setup and no hidden costs. Final verdict: a reliable, privacy-focused system that balances ease of use with premium features at a reasonable price. Product number 2. Eufy Security eufyCam S3 Pro 4Cam Kit. The eufyCam S3 Pro 4Cam Kit takes outdoor surveillance to a professional level with sharp 4K video and max color vision for bright, detailed footage day or night. Each camera runs on Solar Plus 2.0 technology, offering dependable solar charging and extended battery life. Its radar and PAR dual motion sensors drastically reduce false alarms, ensuring you're only notified about what truly matters. The system supports up to 16 terabytes of expandable local storage with no monthly fees. It also works with HomeKit, Alexa, and other voice assistants for hands-free monitoring. Setup is simple, and the hardware feels solid and weatherproof. Pros: stunning 4K clarity with advanced color vision. Radar-powered detection minimizes false alerts. Cons: higher upfront cost. Some features require the latest firmware updates. Who it's for: ideal for users seeking professional-level security and intelligent detection with 0 ongoing costs. Final verdict: eufyCam S3 Pro is a premium choice that combines outstanding image quality, reliability, and smart functionality in one sleek package. Product number 3. Google Nest Cam Battery 2 Count. The Google Nest Cam battery is a flexible option for those who want smart, easy-to-manage security both indoors and outdoors. It delivers 1080p HDR video with clear night vision and can tell the difference between people, vehicles, and animals without needing a subscription. Installation is quick with a magnetic mount, and the rechargeable battery makes it convenient to place anywhere. Even if Wi-Fi goes down, the camera stores up to an hour of recorded footage, so you don't miss key moments. It also integrates seamlessly with Google Home and Alexa for smart voice control and live streaming. Pros: simple, cable-free setup with reliable AI alerts. Works perfectly with Google and Alexa devices. Cons: free video history limited to 3 hours. Optional subscription needed for extended storage. Who it's for: great for users who want a simple, smart home camera that blends easily with voice-controlled ecosystems. Final verdict: the Nest Cam battery balances smart detection and convenience, making it a perfect choice for modern, connected homes. Product number 4. Blink Outdoor 4XR 4 Camera System. The Blink Outdoor 4XR system focuses on long-range reliability and efficient battery life. It features 4 cameras that can cover up to 1,000 feet in open air, thanks to the new Sync Module XR. Each camera runs on Blink's patented chip technology, delivering up to 2 years of battery life even at long distances. The system connects quickly through the Blink app, letting you monitor multiple zones, arm or disarm cameras, and store clips locally with a microSD card or in the cloud. It's designed to reduce Wi-Fi dropouts by up to 70% and deliver live view 20% faster. Pros: exceptional wireless range with dependable connectivity. Long 2-year battery life for minimal maintenance. Cons: Cloud storage requires a subscription after the trial. Video resolution lower than competitors. Who it's for? Perfect for those who need extended range surveillance for large properties or outdoor areas. Final verdict. Blink Outdoor 4 XR is an impressive blend of distance, durability, and simplicity, ideal for reliable everyday monitoring. Product number 5. Ring Outdoor Cam Plus Battery 2K Wide Angle. The Ring Outdoor Cam Plus battery is built for users who want flexible installation and high-quality 2K video. It offers a wide field of view, low-light sight for clear color night vision, and Ring Vision technology that enhances every frame for sharp, realistic detail. You can mount it anywhere, walls, ceilings, or tables, and use it wirelessly or plugged in. It connects easily with Alexa, letting you view live feeds or get motion alerts through your Echo devices. With two-way talk, you can speak directly to visitors from your phone. Pros: crisp 2K visuals with full-color night vision. Works seamlessly with Alexa and other Ring devices. Cons: some features require Ring Protect subscription. Battery life varies with usage. Who it's for? Great for homeowners who prefer flexible placement, strong smart home integration, and vivid day and night video. Final verdict. The Ring Outdoor Cam Plus offers dependable performance and smart versatility, making it one of the best all-around choices for home security. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.